Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video training course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar monthly time frame, I think that we need to pay attention to the 50 and the 61% fib. I think one of those two levels is going to be where this actually ends up turning back up in a very big way. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly is where you can see that this is a double three pattern. So there's three waves right there. Then there's 1, 2, 3 waves up right here. Then most likely this is either going to make 1, 2, 3 waves down, or it's going to more likely maybe make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a 3, 3, 5, or a 3, 3, 3 pattern, which would be a WXY or a traditional ABC. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is a wave 3. Now if this really is a wave 3 of a 5-way pattern, then this thing is going to just keep on trending down. We're not even to the 100% Fibonacci extension yet. But if this is actually like a WXY, then it definitely could turn at the 100% and then make a big old pattern to the upside, because that would be like a wave A, that would be a wave B, and then a wave C of the 3-wave pattern that I was showing on the weekly time frame. So we're definitely going to have to pay attention to see if we can figure out which result it is going to do. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, so the trend is definitely down on the 4-hour. Now that we got a new swing low, or at least an equal swing low, we were able to move our structure down to here. So if price breaks this high right here, then I'll definitely turn back into a buyer. At this point, I think it is probably eventually going to go down and touch this 100% Fibonacci extension. So I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames unless the market tells me otherwise. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, so I'm definitely looking for shorts. I would expect it to go down at least to the 100% Fibonacci extension around the 1.0481 area minimum. Now, that doesn't mean that it has to just keep on going. I mean, it could make some more pullbacks along the way, especially with how rangy the market has been lately. But as long as it does not go up and break this high right here, do a breakout, I am definitely only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of 3-way pullbacks. So if it does actually turn up, that would actually make a much, much clearer pattern, because that would be the A, B, and C pattern that I would normally be looking for sorting opportunities. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. If it does turn up, I'll throw my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, look for 3-way pattern. If it just keeps on drifting down, which it definitely may, then really the only strategy is to already be short, or to go to a much shorter time frame and look for more shorts on a very short time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.